Understanding the phrase, Bond of Matrimony. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, Bond of Matrimony. This phrase is not just common in English-speaking countries but also carries significant cultural and emotional weight. If you're learning English, understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the language. So, let's get started. The phrase, Bond of Matrimony, refers to the emotional and legal connection formed between two people when they get married. It's a bond that signifies commitment, love, and partnership. The word, bond, here is used in the sense of a strong connection or tie, while matrimony specifically refers to the state of being married. This phrase is often used in wedding ceremonies and legal documents related to marriage. The origins of the phrase lie deep in historical and cultural contexts. Bond, in olden times, referred to an agreement or promise, while matrimony comes from the Latin word matrimonium, meaning the state of being a mother or father. This phrase has been used for centuries to describe the solemn and sacred nature of marriage. It's commonly heard in wedding vows, legal documents, and discussions about marriage. In many cultures, marriage is seen as more than just a legal contract. It's a spiritual and emotional union. The bond of matrimony symbolizes this deep connection that goes beyond legal terms. It's a phrase that encompasses the ideals of lifetime commitment, mutual respect, and the start of a family. It's important to understand this context when learning English, as it reflects the values and beliefs of many English-speaking societies. To understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. During their wedding ceremony, they vowed to uphold the bond of matrimony with loyalty and love. 2. Legal documents regarding marriage often refer to the bond of matrimony as a significant legal status. 3. In literature, the phrase is used to symbolize the deep and unbreakable connection between married couples. And that's a wrap on Bond of Matrimony. It's a beautiful phrase that encompasses love, commitment, and partnership in marriage. I hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also its cultural significance. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about understanding the culture and emotions behind them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning journey.